are looking at both kind of the innovation piece and the transformation piece of this AI revolution, right? You can innovate and just optimize existing workflows, but now there are also transformational opportunities of new products.
I think the biggest challenge that's facing us in the industry now is getting on the same page with our clients, between firms, clients, and legal tech providers.
I think it's really interesting to hear from a lot of people in various positions across the legal space about how they're using AI, what they think is coming next, what tools they're using in-house, what tools they're building, hearing from the various vendors about the different offerings.
I think the direction towards agents is really taking off, and I think that a real discussion about how we evaluate agents qualitatively is probably going to be the next frontier.
Yeah, really enjoyed the panel. Some very impressive peers that I was honored to be sitting next to.
It's nice to also see how the vendors have progressed in the past year and where their heads are at with their own functionality. It helps me kind of keep situational awareness of the market and also see both my peers and vendors in one space.
This was the conference that gave me one of my first shots at speaking back before when I was a quote big deal.
I'll definitely return. Looking forward to hopefully coming back here next year and maybe one of the other ones in either London or New York.